In this video I will show you how to start your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, but most Android phones, they will start the way I will show you now. So you look at the phone and the charging port should be below, and on the right side or on the left side on some phones you will have three buttons. Two are connected together, that's volume up and down, and that's the power button. This is the one you want. And to start the phone, you don't just press on the power button like once. You press and hold for about count to 5 seconds, 4 or 5 seconds. And then something on the screen should show the brand. In this case, it's the Samsung Galaxy phone. But on other Android phones, there will be another logo, or it will vibrate. At that point, you let the phone finish starting up, and you can look at the phone. It's the case on this phone, it's a bit worn out, but still works, and it's ready to start. At this point, when you start the phone, you might have to enter your passcode, or actually you have to enter your passcode because it will not work with fingerprint after a restart. You have to remember the passcode. You might have a simple passcode or a more complex one, but if you don't know it, ask whoever gave you the phone to provide you the passcode also. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about starting the phone and the passcodes on the phone, or in general about Android phones. Thanks for watching.